We can't really talk about the neurotransmitters without discussing the brain structures that kind of fall around them. So, first of all, we have the limbic system, which regulates expression of emotion and emotional memory. In this system, you'll find the amygdala and hippocampus, which both kind of have similar roles in attraction. You're gonna see a little bit of difference, and it's kind of hard to see how they are similar at this stage. But trust me, when you go and you learn a lot more about this, you will be like, oh, that's what she meant. That makes a lot of sense. Trust me, most things I say don't make a lot of sense, but this will, I promise. So, the amygdala is very important to our social functioning. There's a positive correlation between amygdala size and size of social networks. So, this doesn't just mean on the internet. This isn't like, oh, hey, I have tons of friends on name social networking site here. But how many groups one actually belong? So, if you can go out and basically meet people and hang out with them, have a good time no matter what, this is what we're talking about. And when we look at this at the point of attraction, the larger network plays more likely in a role for you to meet people that your body will find attractive. It also plays a key role in reading people's faces, which allows you to accurately understand what the other person is really trying to say. This is a hugely important part. I'm good at reading emotions, but I don't remember faces, and that causes a lot of problems when you're out in the social world. And that's my amygdala. You just have to look at it, figure it out, and ask, hey, what's up, amygdala? What's wrong? But on the other hand, the hippocampus has a key role in memory. Memory and experiences will always have an effect on who you're attracted to and why. We'll talk about this again in a second. It's your memories and your experiences shape the world around you, and the hippocampus is primarily responsible for having you do that. Now, these are very much connected to the nucleus accumbens, which is thought of as the brain's pleasure center. It is literally your happy place. This is the specific area in which dopamine is released that gives us the pleasure-like effect. If something happens, this is where you're going to have any kind of brain damage. You're not going to feel pleasure as strongly. Your brain is an amazing thing, is that it can rewrite a lot of areas. It can fix a lot of things. This is something you don't want to mess with. This is why you should always wear your helmet. If you ever want to feel things again, wear your helmet.